adding a Yawfin to your paddle, it is advised to shorten the shaft of your paddle 1.5 to 2 inches. Otherwise, your paddle will stick at the release of your stroke because of the added length of the Yawfin. The key point to installing the Yawfin is to make sure it ends up square on the paddle blade. Do this by first finding the center of the blade.
So now I'm just going to use this piece of tape, right? And it won't scratch the paddle. Okay.
Methodically mark and sand the Yawfin slot to adjust to the paddle blade.
You know, it goes all the way on.
This small notch helps keep the Yawfin blade in place while bonding.
Because I'm happy with one good mark.
Check and recheck to make sure the Yawfin is square on the blade. Bonding in 2 stages helps to make sure the Yawfin is on straight and strong. This first bonding stage is to make sure the Yawfin fits on straight.
Guess that's pretty darn good. So this is kind of showing that we're not square and that we want to move it to this side and make it square.
The heat gun is used to accelerate the drying process. Clean off the blade and excess resin. Allow the resin to set for 1 hour. Then check the Yawfin is square. Adjust if needed. Then prepare for stage 2 bonding. Stage 2 bonding is for strength. Use a high density filler. Apply a good amount of adhesive. Make sure to remove the tape so the adhesive does not stick to the tape. Once again, make sure to clean up any excessive adhesive. There you go, a beautiful straight Yawfin. A job well done. Now go out and enjoy the water.